Hi guys, it is T-Bone Pearson here, and I'm working on sort of doing some research for this space shoot where the talent is going to be floating in space. So this is what I'm going to get the guy to sit on. And so I'm just doing tests. I like to do that before, especially if someone's paying you money. Do some tests and make sure everything's going well. If I can get some footage of me floating in space, I can start to do the backgrounds before I even start to film with the talent. So let's do that. So here's my plan. I wasn't sure I was going to do this. I was going to save this other green screen for, although I do have some expendable stuff somewhere, but this is machine washable stuff. So let's use this green screen over here. I apologize for having my PJs on. It is the middle of the night. Anyways, bottoms. Oh, there we go. I have to stay low. And again, here's another tip. I gotta stay down so you guys can see me. Here's another tip. I actually use these Westcott bags also to put sandbags inside of, and then you can hide them in clear view and then delete them after. Another tip. I love these bags. Okay, so let's put the green screen floor down. I'm a little leery of actually using this stuff because I love these Westcott green screens. I might find some older green screens that I don't care about that. I don't want to get this stuff all smudged up. So I'll be back here in a sec. All right, I can't find any. So I'm going to use this. There's some out in the car, but it's freezing outside and it's the middle of the night, so I'm not going out there. All right, so here's our green screen floor. Here's the stool. And then, let's see, I want my feet to be floating, so I think I have to come down lower. All right. Let's try this again. Okay. So, let's see. Okay, I gotta move the green screen to cover the whole floor. Okay, maybe that's a little better. Okay. Now the trick to doing this is to lean on the edge of the stool. Almost off balance. Whoa. Here's where the acting begins. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna try to edit this footage, do a test that maybe I can show the client, and I can start working on the backgrounds in After Effects. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.